Alright, today we're going to be shooting 2 pounds of Tannerite. Taped up so it has some more combustible explosion, we hope. We're going to blow this wash machine up. Alright, we're at our safe zone. Going to shoot this wash machine. I believe it's about, what do you think? 50? 40 or 50 yards away. It's probably better to be farther back, but we're going to try it like this anyway. Shot a pound with an AR-15 223 shell. Pretty good results. But now we're going to shoot 2 pounds with a little bit of this.
1981 G3 HK 7.62 by 51 NATO. Military surplus from 86. All NATO rounds. Pretty badass gun.
What kind of scope we using today?
We are using a 1970s Golden Antler surplus from the Silver Bullet in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, if they don't mind me saying. Pretty badass little scope. Had it scoped in with a Bass Pro Shop 7.62 by 51 laser sight. Well worth the money.
Got it. Let's do this thing.
Bam.
Give me a few seconds. Alright. Shot 1. Hopefully we get it in shot 1. Now shot 2. Hold on a minute. Recording. Shot 3. We made some minor adjustments. Let's see if I can get set up here. Get set up. Most important thing. We're trying to do it safe without getting exploded, but thus far has been difficult.
Would you move that bag behind the tire?
This is recording whenever you're ready.
Okay. I'm right there.
Come on, Cave. Oh!
There we go.
You got that one.
Hell yeah.
God, look at that shit.
Well, other than blowing up Kevin's light pole and probably his porch, I think we did pretty good today.
I seen that as a scope. I seen it go.
Let's go see what we done. What happened, Kev?
We got a new toilet seat.
Yeah, that's the top of what used to be a pretty darn good washer.
A GE, yeah.
We're glad it held up to its name. Let's go see what else
Quality
we
and
can find.
dependability. Oh, that Mo Coon dog died.
Alright. We're tracking the rest of the washer here. Now please know that was only 2 pounds and this is not to be tried at home. We wouldn't recommend it.
We warranty no disclaimers.
You saw the washer before. This is kind of what we got here. Looks like nothing really.
Notice the logs.
What would you recommend? Being safe with Tannerite?
Be safe with Tannerite.
Be safe with
Practice your,
Tannerite.
firearm safety.
Be safe. And don't miss 5 times, but if you do, just be safe.
Consult your NRA member.
All right, that's our Tannerite video.